Surah Al-Rehman, Ayat 13. Have you ever stopped to think about all the wonderful things around you? The warm sun on your face, the food on your table, the people who love you, and the ability to learn and grow? In the Quran, Allah asks us a beautiful question in Surah Al-Rahman, Ayat 13. So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? This ayat is reminding us that Allah has given us so many blessings. Every single day, we receive gifts from our Creator. Some are big, like our families and our health. Some are small, like a tasty meal or a beautiful flower. Think about the water you drink. Think about the air you breathe. Think about your eyes that let you see the world, your ears that let you hear music and laughter, and your heart that lets you feel love. Allah is asking us, which of these blessings will you deny? The answer is simple. We shouldn't deny any of them. Instead, we should be grateful. Being grateful means saying thank you to Allah. It means appreciating what we have. It means sharing our blessings with others who need help. So today, let's remember Surah Al-Rahman, Ayat 13. Let's look around and count our blessings. And let's say thank you to Allah for everything He has given us. Because when we are grateful, we become happier, kinder, and better people. Surah Al-Rahman, Ayat 13. A reminder to be grateful for all of Allah's blessings.